How to fix CapCut Pro effects not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the CapCut application. So just go to the Play Store application and search for CapCut. So as you can see, I have an update available. So you just have to tap on update and it will start updating. After that, what you can do is just make a long press on CapCut and then tap on app info. And you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on it, then clear cache and tap on OK. After that, all you need to do is go to the CapCut application and check if the effects has been available or not. If not, you can just go to the settings again and tap on CapCut and tap on clear all data and delete all data, and this might solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.